To send money remotely to the USA, start by opening the website in your web browser. Select the country from the available options, followed by the amount of money you wish to send, and then click the Send Money button. A rectangular box will appear where you can enter the amount you want to send, and it will display the equivalent amount in USD that will be received in the USA. After clicking Continue, choose the delivery method from the provided options and select Bank Deposit. Next, provide the necessary bank details, including the account and routing number. Once you have completed these steps, your money will be sent remotely to the USA. If you need to get started, you can find helpful links to begin the process. Additionally, if you found this information helpful, you can show your appreciation and look forward to more helpful content in the future.